What up, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. I'm currently on the way to get the car online. Giving it a quick test run around. Everything's still good the next day, but I do need to get this thing aligned pretty bad. So we're gonna take this little turn. Let's see. Handles pretty good. These freeways, they're all pretty messed up, but it's not bad. I'll show you guys when we get there. Man, this traffic. One thing I'm not a fan of that I'm starting to realize is I do like it, but I don't like it. It's like the whole Targa top thing, just because it rattles. I've had an MK4 Supra before with it. Same thing, they rattle. Most cars that have a Targa top or something rattle. One thing that I dislike, you hit something and it just rattles. I mean, I don't know why. Oh well, but not the biggest fan. I like it and I don't like it for that reason, but let's keep going. Made it. I'm probably just gonna drop it off and then go home. He's probably not gonna do it right now, but yeah, I'm gonna talk to him real quick and see if he could do it right now. Hopefully he can. If not, like I said, I'll drop it off. No big deal. I don't feel like waiting here for like an hour or two. He was checking it out. I guess he could only do the rear only has adjustment for like caster or toe, one of those two. Which toe or cast? I think he said toe. So the wheel's like this, so toe will bring it out this way or that way. So as long as that's straight, I guess I'm gonna try and buy. I don't think I need a camber, like something camber, like it tucks fine. That's fine with me. I don't need that. But it's probably not gonna do much, he said, because there's not much to adjust or mess with. So it should be cheaper and pretty easy. Nothing wrong with that. I did notice this wheel from when I was impatient and I put the wheel on. Remember, I put the wheel and then the rotor was hitting. You can barely see right there. I grinded it down, shaved it a bit, but I did hit part of the inside. So me being impatient, you see this little scratch right there or whatever. So from being impatient, I was rubbing on the rotor, and I'm pretty sure that messed with the whole balancing or whatever, because the wheel shakes a bit, the steering wheel, and it shouldn't shake because these are brand new wheels, brand new tires, and balance and everything. So that's probably not gonna get fixed. I'm pretty sure that's not gonna get fixed with alignment, but that's what happens when you're impatient like me. I should have shaved it down and stopped. Shouldn't have used it, but oh well. I'll probably buy this wheel eventually when I get really annoyed of that. But looks pretty good. I like the front, although looks mean, like it pokes. So I'm back home. I left the car there. These are the current specs of it, I guess. He said everything looked okay. The toe in the rear was off, he said, so you could kind of see that in the car. So I was like, well, as long as the wheel's pretty straight. I do need to buy some sort of like adjustable arms. I want to buy them. I'll probably buy them soon. Start with a toe because they're all a little old and they're factory. So I'm gonna order that soon. And yeah, we could probably mess with it later on if I want to add more camber in the front. I want to add a little bit of more camber in the front. It's half a degree, which is nothing. But yeah, we'll see how we get the car back. Let's see real quick.
Total están negativos. El toe. El toe de arriba. Este es el total del toe.
Got the car back. Wheels nice and straight now. It runs pretty damn good. He said the biggest thing was like toe and the front and the rear, but yeah, adjusted the camber a little bit. Really good. It's still the wheel still moves a bit, but it's because, like I said earlier, being impatient, part of the wheel hitting the rotor probably messed up the balancing on it, so I'm pretty sure it's for that. The wheel's already straight itself, so, but it does move because of that. I have a little minor wiggle, but not too bad. But let's pull over right now and show you guys how it looks from the outside. Way better. I'm actually pretty happy with it. So this is it. The wheels are nice and straight. A little bit of camber right here, which is good. Probably go half an inch lower in the rear, an inch lower in the front. But this wheel was a little towed out. That's what I didn't like. That was my main reason. I mean, I wasn't aligned either way, but really bugged me. This wheel was towed out or something, but he fixed all that. It's nice and straight. Car feels good. Need suspension. I do need to buy like tow arms and bushings and stuff like that, but I'll probably order that later on. It's not too bad right now, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Let me know what you guys think about the car so far. How's it coming along? I'm waiting on my lip. They said it was 3 to 4 weeks, and it's been a month and a half, nothing yet. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video and see you guys in the next one. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe.